Have you ever been to the largest boat event in the world? Next time you decide to visit Miami, don't you dare miss out on the Miami International Boat Show. It's a display of the largest and most luxurious boats and yachts in 6 locations, welcoming more than 100,000 guests to witness this mega event. The Miami International Boat Show is the dream event of every boat lover in the world. The event tops the bucket list of many people. And if you're lucky enough, you can see yourself looking at all these gorgeous yachts and boats in the coming February in Miami. The event takes place almost every year in February. Are you planning to book your tickets? From luxurious yachts to sport boats, there is nothing you cannot find in here. The world of boats and yachts has opened up before you. The best thing is that you can even purchase your favorites by getting access to the contact deals of the companies. It's the ultimate event to join hands with the customers and the manufacturers who have unconditional love and interest towards the marine industry. NMMA, Informa Markets, and the International Yacht Brokers Association came together to make the Miami International Boat Show a huge success. The success of the event is partially due to the increase in the demand for outdoor activities, as most of us were stuck at our homes due to the widespread of COVID-19, which made people realize how much they enjoy spending their time connected with nature. Sales in the boating industry boosted during this period, inspiring them to try out new ways to attract their regular customers and budding boaters. What's better than an international exhibition to bring all of them under an umbrella? These wide connections are created and the sales would double due to the exposure these companies get. They even provide educational classes on boating knowledge to create awareness among the boaters. It's more like a welcoming class to the people who are new to this. The exhibition could satisfy any type of customer, as they provide all kinds of boats and yachts. Recreational boats, luxurious yachts, fishing boats, lifestyle yachts, family cruising, and even party yachts. You name it and they have it. It's unlike any other exhibition you ever went to. The luxury every boat and yacht offers is out of this world. Keep your credit card ready because even a non-boat lover would crave to buy at least one of these glamorous boats. The 5-day event will be one-of-a-kind experience, and it's high time every boat lover should even visit this international exhibition once in their lifetime. They majorly focus on future boaters and yacht lovers joining hands at this event. If you are a marine head, make sure to subscribe to our channel and let us take you through an exceptional journey of discovering the sea. To give an amazing experience to the guest, a digital show guide was launched. Now you can easily locate the boat of your wish by using the search tool and visit your boat in no time. There will be more than 1,000 yachts and boats on display. How would you find the best out of these? In this video, we will guide you through the top 10 boats and yachts you shouldn't miss at the Miami International Boat Show. Let's get into it, shall we? At number 10, we have the Trinity 164 Super Yacht. The Trinity Super Yacht is built from top to bottom in the United States of America. The interior designs it offers are breathtaking, especially the casino. The most represent a small Las Vegas in water with its roulette wheel and the blackjack table. The yacht is quite spacious with its gym, owner suite, and office. The owner's suite is a luxurious cabin marked for the client who buys the ship. It is 161 feet long with an engine of 1.70 HP Caterpillar's 3512B diesel. It's priced at $14 million. The speed of the yacht is 20 knots. It was built and launched in the year 2008. Have you seen this one-of-a-kind beauty before? On number 9, we have Benetti Tradition 100 Specification Yacht. This one-of-a-kind yacht is displayed gorgeously on the Miami Boat Show. Francois Zaretti is the yacht designer who did an exceptional job in designing the interiors of the yacht, along with the iconic Italian fashion house Versace. The charcoal-colored wood is the general theme of the woodwork, along with the metallic hues. The yacht could accommodate more than enough people with its 4 cabins, followed up by the owner's cabin. It has 100 feet in length and a twin 1000 HP Caterpillar C18 diesel. The top speed it offers is 15 knots. You can keep $3.9 million on the deck of the ship and take this beauty home. Let's take a look at number 8, Invictus TT 460. It provides a 41 mile per hour speed. The magnificence of the boat is quite visible in its designs. It's none other than the well-renowned designer Christian Grande who has cast the magic spell of class on this beauty. The stainless windshield is used here, which adds to its premium look. It offers a spacious cockpit area for your comfort. The chic look of the boat is a head spinner. If you want to show your style through your purchase, then this boat is just for you. Are you an old soul who has a special love towards vintage yachts? Classic vintage yachts cannot be compared to anything. The beauty it holds cannot be described. It's a spellbound beauty. The West Ship 108 is placed in the 7th position. It has a GRP cockpit built to perfection. The whole yacht whispers elegance. The marble top bars add to the elegance. It has a gallery especially made to accommodate guests for entertainment. It is priced at $2 million. It's 108 feet long with a twin MTU 8V396TE engine. It had an amazing fuel capacity of 22,750 liters. The speed it offers is 23 knots. In the top 6, we have the Azimuth 68 Fly. It is priced at a whopping $3 million. The theme set in both the interior and exterior of the boat is by the legends of design Alberto Mancini and Achille Salvani. They went for Italian designs, which later on became the crowd puller of Azimuth 68 Fly. The boat is 20.8 meters and it has an engine of 2X Volvo IPS 1350 with 1,000 horsepower. The top speed it offers is 32 knots. Ferretti Yacht 500 will be given the position of number 5. The most famous Filippo Salvetti designed this sleek beauty to perfection. Enormous cockpit tables and spacious cabins accommodate 6 people to a minimum. It provides a speed of 35 miles per hour and it has a 550 horsepower Cummins QSB 6.7 turbo diesel. It also has a swimming platform and dual staircases, which screams luxury. What more do you need? On number 4, we have Leopard 46 PC. The ship was built by Robertson and Kane in South Africa. It can hit a top speed of 22 knots and has a 488-gallon tankage. The length of the ship is 14.1 meters and it's priced at $1 million. It provides 3 cabins and an owner's cabin to accommodate enough people. Now here are the much-awaited top 3 boats of the Miami Boat Show. Do you have any guesses? In the 3rd position, we have Vanquish VQ52. It has a length of 16.3 meters and it offers a speed of 45 knots. Did anybody say champagne? Because it's the perfect party boat out there. Its engine is 2X Volvo 600 HP IPS 95. It can accommodate up to 18 people easily and has a top speed of 45 knots. Its beam length is 50.5 meters. The ship offers a utilitarian gallery and a U-shaped convertible sofa bed. It has a unique open cockpit and offers sun pads. Are you excited to know the top 2 boats in the Miami Boat Show? Let's make the revelation of the boat which has been awarded the 2nd position. It took them 3 years to build this beauty. True North's 34 Outboard Express is a 44-foot length, which made it to the Miami Boat Show for its uniqueness and twin engines of 300 horsepower Suzuki. It offers a speed of 34 knots. The 3-panel widescreen and sailboat-inspired overall structure give it a classy look of a luxurious fishing boat. All you need to do to get your hands on this beauty is to take out your credit card and have a swipe at $375,000. If it's something different in your affordability range, close your eyes and make the purchase. Here we are finally going to know the boat which grabbed the attention of all in the Miami Boat Show. In the 1st position, we have Crunchy E26, the most elegant sports boat you will ever lay your eyes on. The vintage elegance is 26 feet in length, made up of stainless steel polished to perfection. The Italian-style boat is designed by Christian Grande, who has done an amazing job in creating this glamorous sports boat. Have you decided which one of these is your favorite among all these luxurious boats and yachts? Turn on your notifications and make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more such cool videos.